In this video, we are going to paint a gift box for a birthday card. This is the 10th painting in watercolor birthday card series. Here is the step-by-step approach to draw the gift box. The reference picture is available in the description. You can download it and use it for your reference. In my palette, I'm mixing burnt sienna with raw sienna. Using it, I'm painting the front part of the gift box. There are two gift boxes in the reference picture, but we are going to paint only one gift box for this birthday card. Using the same color mix of burnt sienna with raw sienna, paint the top portion of the gift box. Mix burnt sienna with little amount of emerald green to get a dark brown value, which is used to paint the right side of the gift box. The light is assumed to be there at the top left corner of the gift box, so there will be a dark side at the right side of the gift box and there will be shadow at the right side. Using the same dark brown color, I am painting the shadow of the satin ribbon. Using a damp brush, I smoothen the hard edges. Next, we are going to paint the background. For that, first I'm wetting the background. To paint the background, I'm using Cineria's blue mixed with emerald green and little amount of burnt sienna. I'm going to use the light value of this mix to paint the background. After painting the background, tilt the board and remove all the excess pigment which is collected near the tape using a waistcloth or tissue. Next, using cinereous blue mixed with little amount of emerald green, I paint the satin ribbon. Use the reference picture to know where there should be highlight and where there should be dark value. I mix cinereous blue with indigo color to paint the satin ribbon which is at the right side of the gift box. While painting the sanded ribbon, you have to note down the areas which transform from dark value to light value and try to bring that on your watercolor painting. To move from dark value to light value, first apply the dark value and then add little amount of water to the pigment so that you get light value. Next, wet the bottom part of the gift box and we are going to paint the shadow of the gift box. To paint the shadow, I am using the same mix of burnt sienna with raw sienna. Apply the light value of burnt sienna and raw sienna mix for the floor on which the gift box is placed. There are small areas that I forgot to paint, so I'm filling those areas. Here I'm painting the knot and adding shadow for that knot. I forgot to fill a small portion of the background area, so I'm filling that area with the same background color. We reached the end of this video. Hope this video is useful. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye from Prima.